Hello students, let me explain position and displacement vector. Okay, for that let's consider motion of an object in a plane. Okay, whenever we have to define position and displacement vector, we are considering the motion of an object in a plane. So we have a plane like this and the object is moving in this plane only. So how can we find the position vector and displacement vector for this kind of motion when the object is moving in a plane? So whenever the object is moving in a plane, we have to take two coordinates, x and y. Okay, x-axis and y-axis. This is the origin. For the plane, we have to take only two coordinates, x and y. Okay, that you have to remember. Now the object is moving in this plane. So let's say at time t1, point P is the position of the object. Okay, so if you draw a line from here, then if you draw the arrow like this, and this is r1. Okay, so r1 is the position vector of this point P from origin. R1 is the position of this point P from the origin, and this vector means direction of R1 is along OP. This is the direction. Okay, I have shown the arrow over here, so this is the direction. So R1 is the position vector of this point P. Okay, at any time T1, an object is placed at point P, which is at a distance R1 from the origin, and the direction of the R1 is along OP. Therefore, this R1 is the position vector of point P. Okay, now this object from the P moves to Q. It moves to Q. Okay, so this point is called Q point. This is called Q point. Okay, it moves to Q. Now the new position vector of this Q would be, let's say, R2. This new position vector of this Q is, let's say, R2. Okay, so R2 is the position vector of Q and R1 is the position vector of P. Now PQ is the displacement vector. What is PQ? PQ is the displacement vector. Okay, PQ is the displacement vector, and we can find PQ as PQ is the difference between the final position vector and the initial position vector. So final position vector is OQ minus OP. PQ is the displacement vector, which is the difference of the final position vector and the initial position vector. So OQ is how much? OQ is R2 and OP is R1. So displacement vector PQ is this value. Okay, so this is it from the position and displacement vector. I hope you got it.